Chef Prasha, welcome to Vancouver. Can you tell us about your university and your work at the university?
He comes from Rajamankala University of Technology, Panakan. This university is special because it's specialized on the training and the practice of Thai cuisine itself. So in his faculty, there are three specialties. One is on clothing, the other one is on Thai cuisine, and the other one is on like Thai art and craft. For him, he specialized on like Thai food, hotel management. So all the graduates, they either go to the government sector or the private sector. The program is about 4 months. They also have the bachelor degree program that is a 4-year program, and that is going to be basically focusing on the practice of how to prepare, how to cook Thai cuisine. And they also have the master degree program, which is a 2 year program, and that is more concentrating on the management. It's actually his love and his admiration of Thai cuisine. That's why he chose to do specialize. That's why he chose to specialize on Thai cuisine, and he wanted to put the smiles onto the faces of those who like try the food that he prepared, the food that he cooked, and then he also want to add like science into the cuisine to make it more understandable and more nutritious at the same time.